welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with an informative video in which I will tell you about how to earn money from home and work from home and without investment. So this video is going to be very informative too, so don't skip this video and watch it till the end. And let's start the video without wasting your precious time. Before starting the video, I request you to like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification about my next video as soon as I upload it. So here is the video. Top 18 online work from home jobs. Do you want to earn $1,000 every month? If yes, then you can fulfill this dream with the help of work from home jobs. In today's digital era, there are many ways to earn money online. You can choose any based on your passion, interest, or personal preferences. Today I am going to tell you some most efficient ways to earn money online. But before you start to earn, you have to understand how to earn online. Majorly, there are three ways by which you can make money online: by selling services, by selling knowledge, by selling products. All the means of the online income depends on these 3 points. Examples: if someone does blogging, he is selling his knowledge. If someone is doing data entry work, then he is selling a service. If someone is earning by selling his ebook, then he is selling a product. It's always your choice as how you want to make online income. If you are looking for online jobs or make money options, then your search will be completed today. There are four main reasons why the information given on digital copper will be give you better results on than others. I will tell you not one or two but 18 different ways to make money online. All our suggestions are real and tested. You will be able to use all the suggestions for free. No technical information is needed. Today I will tell you about 18 such online ways to earn online income. It will take no more than 10 minutes to read this article, but after reading the article completely, you will definitely find a way to create your online income. If there is any problem in understanding any option, if you do not understand something, then you can ask us in the comment box below. Data entry jobs. What we start this topic with the most familiar computer-based jobs. Yes, I am talking about data entry jobs. Online, there are many such websites where you will get online data entry jobs. This is the easiest work from home jobs. So guys, that is the video in which I told you about the online jobs and how to earn from home. I hope you liked my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification about my next video as soon as I upload it.